So that's where our company is really helpful, to have an expert on your side to work on your behalf. Once we've met with the adjuster, they found the damage, we agree, we go back and forth on our Xactimates, we come up with a fair price. So typically the insurance will send a check out to the homeowner for 80% of the total amount, which is your replacement cost value. Then that homeowner does have a choice. They could just take that money and not redo the roof, and then that's all they're gonna get. But the issue with that is, if a tornado that came in 2 weeks later and blew the entire roof off, they're done. They're not getting another 80%, let alone that 20% of the remaining balance once the work is completed. So once that homeowner has that check, we always have a signed contract directly with those guys. We'll require 50% down, and as soon as the roof is completed, we'll send them the remaining 50% invoice. They can turn that into their insurance. The insurance will send them the 20% recoverable replacement value, which will cover, that'll equal that full entire estimate that we agreed to, less than their deductible. $500 to, I've seen them at $2,500 is a pretty average deductible, depending on the type of insurance you have. If there's a large hailstorm in the area and adjusters, insurance companies are backed up, it does take a little bit longer. We always wait 30 days before or you have up to 30 days to pay that invoice. And, we'll handle the paperwork. We'll deal with the insurance directly. So for the homeowner, if they're working with us, it's not too big of a headache. We'll take care of most of that. Something homeowners and commercial property owners need to be aware of is there's a lot of exclusions where insurance companies, you can sign up for these different things to lower your rates, to have cheaper deductibles, and the cosmetic endorsement is a major one that we recommend people really look for. And what that means is, if you have a metal roof and it gets dinged up really bad from a hailstorm, but not bad enough to where it can't perform, it's still keeping water out of your house, it just looks really bad. I mean, it's dented up. If they have that cosmetic endorsement in there, the insurance company does not have to pay for it, because it's just cosmetic. So that's something we really like to warn our customers about and have them look into that. And especially if you're going through your own insurance policy or shopping around to get a new one, that's something really important, because that we see that a lot, where a homeowner has a metal roof and it's not getting paid for, and now they have to deal with that or pay for it out of pocket. Another really important thing for homeowners, business owners to look at their insurance policy is the ACV versus the RCV, what type of coverage you have. The ACV is going to be, they're going to, with that Xactimate price, that's going to be your number, but then they're going to depreciate it. So if your roof is 10 years old and they're going to say it's a 30-year shingle, they're going to not only take out the deductible, they're going to depreciate it down 10 years. So if our estimate was, let's just say $15,000, more than likely after your deductible, you might get a check for $11,000 because of that. Your roof is depreciated; it's not brand new. So the RCV would mean you have a replacement cost value, which then the insurance has to pay out the full amount that was agreed upon between your insurance company and your contractor.